Hello and welcome to the Queen's Curry Kitchen. Today we are featuring not any elaborate food but a simple thing which is just a dipping sauce, a cilantro chutney that adds a lot of flavor and a lot of oomph to all of your street foods and even your regular meals. Made with simple ingredients, we need about 6 cloves of garlic, we need 1 large jalapeno or Thai chilies, and if you can't stand the heat, feel free to de-seed them. You will need 3 bunches of cilantro with the roots trimmed and washed really well. Take all of this stuff, really simple, stick it into a blender, and that's where all the magic will happen. Add sugar, add Himalayan pink salt or sea salt, add some lemon juice, and add some tamarind pulp. Tamarind pulp is optional. If you don't have this, you can always double up the quantity of lemon juice to give it the beautiful tartness that this recipe requires. So in short, this chutney is going to be a great dipping sauce, and it's going to be a combination of sweet, salty, savory and spicy all in one bite. So let's go ahead and stick it in the blender and give it a few blitzes. You may need to add a little bit of water just to get everything going. There you go. Doesn't take that much time at all. Just make sure everything is moving along really well. Take a sneak peek in there. Yep, looks pretty good. If you feel like you need to open it and take a look inside what's going on, maybe you need to scrape the sides of it to make sure that any of the stray leaves or stems that are floating around also get into the blender. There you go. Now I'll tell you a crazy hack. If you think like you put a little more water than you should have, you can always use some dry coconut powder to adjust the consistency. Or you can use soaked cashew nuts or peanuts. We do that all the time, no big deal. And look at that, 1, 2, 3, voila, it's already done. This is the best cilantro chutney you can ever have. It'll stay in your fridge nice and cool for about 12 to 15 days. Just make sure whenever you're using it, use a clean, dry spoon to take out as much as you need, and don't put back any of the unused chutney after dipping your foods in it. Those are just the things that you have to be careful about. And now you can enjoy this beautiful, spicy, sweet, garlicky cilantro chutney with all of your favorite foods, whether it's spring rolls, whether it's samosas, whether it's your favorite chaats or your street foods, you always have it handy. And if you want to learn how to make these fantastic foods that you're seeing along with this green chutney, you can always take one of our classes. All the information is on our website on www.queenscurrykitchen.com. Take a class for beginner, intermediate or advanced levels, or then order our spices to make your taste sensational. You can also order our cookbook, The Vegan Indian Home, to add something to your repertoire and make simple Indian food for your everyday living. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you again in the next one. Until then, it's goodbye from Queen's Curry Kitchen.